Hey y'all, so I just want to talk to you for a minute about some fun things with full-time RV living. In the last 48 hours, we have figured out that our overhead lights up here got really dim, and now they won't come on at all. And even though we're plugged into shore power and have all the rest of our electricity running just fine, our batteries are dead. So this is what we have figured out through trial and error, if you will, is that our batteries power all, well, I didn't know this, Jason probably did, but the batteries power all of the overhead lighting even when we're plugged into the electric pedestal. So he's now on his way to go get 2 new batteries. We have 2 marine batteries in the front of our rig, and that they power all of these. So I'm not going to be able to film him actually doing the reinstall of the new batteries just because I have to work. But I just wanted to take a short minute to kind of let you guys know where we are. We're getting ready to head out Saturday. So while I'm working, I'm also in the process of trying to wrap up small things like a load of laundry or, little things that I can do. But I have this full-time job, so I have to work. Jason's still working, and he has to take time out to go take care of this so that we can have lights. Anyhow, you guys have a good day. Bye.